nothing is something. Alright, look now. We hear the water. It's beautiful, man. It's Costa Rica. Now, we're on the way to a boat. So we're gonna see how the vibes are, man. Let's get it. Little boy, oh, we look good, How the bud feel? It look good. Cleaned up. Costa Rica, baby. So the thing about this hot spring is actually coming from the volcanoes, top of the mountain. So you can see here, this is the natural fresh water. And down this side, we have like, let me show you. And so this is created from the volcanoes that come down here. So it's very refreshing to come to Costa Rica. Check out the hot springs, man. It's beautiful. If you come to Costa Rica, check out the hot springs. It's beautiful. That's Costa Rica. Costa Rica, man. Yo, overall, it's been a great trip. I'm about to take the rental car back. Costa Rica, it's been smooth, man. Tamarindo, Costa Rica is a really good place. Beach town, cool vibe. But I can't wait to check out other places in Costa Rica. Maybe San Jose, maybe check out the Caribbean coast. So let me know if you have any comments, suggestions. Feel free to leave a like. Peace.